Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we will tell you how to get loan in USA. So let's get started. A personal loan can help you finance a wide range of expenses such as unexpected expenses, debt consolidations, or large purchases like a new appliance or vacations. Applying for a personal loan may seem intimidating, but it's fairly straightforward. Let's walk through the key steps for how to apply for a personal loan as well as action you can take ahead of time to make the process go more smoothly. Key takeaways: determine how much money you need and the amount of monthly payments you can afford to pay so you can avoid borrowing too much. Check your credit score and credit report to understand how lenders will view you as a borrower. Research lender and then get pre-qualified to narrow your personal loan choice. Gather copies of required documents to save time. How to apply for a personal loan? When you apply for a personal loan from any lender you would like, go through each of these key steps which we review in more detail below. Determine how much you need, review your finance, research and compare lenders, pre-qualify, apply. Preparing to apply for a personal loan, determine how much you need, consider why you are applying for a personal loan and estimate how much you will need to borrow. This is a key step in how to apply for a personal loan. You can borrow between $250 and $1 lakh, so honing in on an amount will prevent you from borrowing more than you need. Later in the process, you can narrow down loan options since loan amounts vary by lender. Review your finance. Assess your finance to figure out what you can afford before you apply for the loan. Review your income and expenses to understand your budget or how much money you have coming in and going out each month. Check your credit score, since it will play a role in your loan eligibility and interest rate. Higher credit score improve your odds of approval and allow you to qualify for lower rates. If your credit score is lowest than you are expected, review your credit report to see whether it includes errors that need to be disputed. Research and compare lender. Most around with banks, credit unions, and online lenders to compare loan amount, interest rates, terms, and fees. Review loan requirements if they were available. For example, some lenders have a minimum credit score or income requirements or only offer loan in a certain state. Read personal loan and lender review and rating to help you understand the best personal loan lenders and then rank your top choices. Most borrowers prefer lender with high quality customer service and good experience and provide helpful information and meeting their customer borrowing need according to JD Power. Pre-qualify. Some lenders offer pre-qualification that allow you to view the loan term you may qualify for. Pre-qualify. You usually only have to enter a minimum amount of information. Your personal identifying information, income or employment detail and desire a loan amount. The lender will review your information and do a soft credit check, which unlike a hard inquiry when you officially apply will not affect your credit. A soft credit check can give you a preliminary decision, but keep in mind it does not guarantee you will get approved. Many lenders offer online applications which are quick and convenient. Some lenders, particularly traditional banks, may require you to apply in person. Either way, the loan application will ask for personal and financial information like your name, home address, and employment information. You may have to provide additional documents including your state-issued ID, proof of residence, income document like a bank statement or pay stub, tax return. After you submit the application, wait for the result. which may be within minutes or in a few days. You will receive a decision faster if your application is completed and free of error. So I hope you will understand it. So thanks for watching.